Hello everyone, I am Manan Srivastav and I am the idea developer for our project. Our project is titled the AI Art Curator. It's an artificial intelligence system that can recognize famous paintings, identify their artists, and even explain their artistic meaning and emotion. This idea came to me from a simple thought. We often admire art, but not everyone knows the story or person behind it. We wanted to create something that would act like a digital art expert, using AI to help people learn more about paintings in an instant. I also worked on the technical design, but I'll explain that later. First, my teammate Reyansh Gupta will tell you how we gathered the right information for our model.
Hi everyone, I am Reyansh Gupta, the research helper of our team. My main role was to collect information about artists' painting styles and art movements so that our model could give accurate results. I researched famous painters like Van Gogh, Picasso, and Monet and studied what made their art unique from brush techniques to use of colors. This data helped the AI to learn how to tell one artist's style apart from others. Next, Pratyush Katiyar will tell you how we made sure our project really connected with people.
Hello everyone, I am Pratyush Katiyar and I worked as feedback collector. I asked our classmates and teachers what they thought about our idea. Many people said they loved how it connects technology and art, but they wanted it to also explain the emotion or meaning of each painting. So we improved the model's output. Now it tells user not only who painted it but also the feeling and theme expressed in the art. Now Manan Singh will share how we stayed organized as a team.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Manan Singh, and in our group, I am the note keeper. And as you all know, our topic is art curator. So, my job was to keep a record what we discussed in our meeting and keep a track of our progress, which I did, and we worked in stages. For example, first collecting the data and then building it and training our model, which was the important thing in our group, and testing it. So I helped with organize all our files, meeting notes and updates, which made teamwork much smoother. So now Manan Srivastav will explain you how our AI model actually works.
Now, let us take a look at how the AI Art Curator actually works. We built our project using Python along with TensorFlow, which are powerful libraries for creating deep learning models. This system uses a convolutional neural network or CNN, specifically a model called ResNet 50, which has already been trained to recognize millions of images. We used it through a process called transfer learning, so it could quickly learn to identify artistic features like brush strokes, color balance, and patterns. We used the help of Perplexity AI to connect us to these models. This code is divided into modules, one for data preparation, one for model building, one for training, and one for painting analysis. When a user uploads an image, the AI pre processes it, resizing, normalizing colors, and enhancing details. Then, the trained CNN, convolutional neural network, predicts the most likely artist by analyzing dominant colors, checking the texture and composition, and finally generates a short explanation about the painting's meaning and emotion. All of this happens automatically using deep learning, image processing, and a small metadata database that stores information about each artist and their art style. I would now like to invite Sarthak to demonstrate how this model works.
Thank you, Manan. I am Sarthak Raj, the team leader, and I have helped to make the logbook and also test the model and make the model. So, first of all, our model uses convolutional neural networks, which with transfer learning to achieve up to 95 to 98% accuracy in identifying artists from their paintings. This model leverages pre-trained CNN architectures such as VGG16, ResNet 50, ResNet 152, Inception V3, and that these have been trained on millions of images. These networks automatically learn to recognize distinctive features like brushstrokes, color palette preference, etc. So on our model, we have on Google Colab, we have uploaded our model. We have uploaded our dataset that we have made on Google Drive. And what we are going to do is upload an image from our laptop, from our desktop. After uploading, we are going to change the name. We are going to rename. It's optional, but I suggest you do that. So after renaming the file, we are going to copy the file's pathway and paste it in the test image code that we are seeing here. Yes, just like that. Now we are going to run the code. After running the code, we'll find that it gives us the result as Pablo Picasso. We have only trained the model to recognize who has made the painting, but this model can do much more if given the data set. We didn't have much of the data set, so we had to go for this. We can also make this into a web API, but for now it is on Google Colab Research, and whenever we want, we can make it into we can make it into a web API. It also analyzes the artistic styles, the color, the texture. It uses k-means clustering and to interpret color symbolism and texture complexity, composition and edge density. I am thankful that